transplanting these marigold flowers into the ground today. This is how it look outside the cup. Quite a few marigolds in there. So I'll let y'all see how I do two of them. And the rest y'all have to see afterwards. My soil is pretty dry. I did moisten it a little bit. There was so many marigolds in this one cup that it was just drinking water so much because I watered it yesterday. So to separate it, you just want to kind of shake it apart as much as you can. I spreaded it when I first did it gently as I could. I mean, you just don't want to be rough, and you just water it the first few days of implant. Well, not days, weeks. I'm sorry. Transplants. The first few weeks of transplant. That is your goal, and you just try to have it standing as tall as you can. It needs way more dirt on top before I water it. So I'm going to get that dirt from somewhere else. And it's just going to sit right here between my watermelon and my beans and stuff so it can protect these plants over here. Marigolds can be a trap plant. They they run away the pests. Don't ask me how. I think it's the scent. They don't like the scent. The bugs don't. But been working so far with minimal damage on my garden this year. I've encountered so many pests and things over the years of gardening. The only thing different has been is the marigold plants. So I'm trying to transplant them in the ground because they have been root bound in the cups, and it's time to give them a new home. All right, that's one. Got like this one and a whole nother bunch to do. See y'all at the end. Happy gardening. Hey you guys, I have to do some weeding and some pulling, but this is day 3 after transplanting my marigolds. I did not get a chance to finish recording at night. So, but it's looking good though. Look at them. Might be a little thirsty, but other than that, my baby girl bowl had been making mud cakes out here. You just do not want to get out the camera shot. Okay, well, you ain't gonna worry about it. We gotta do some picking up out here though in a minute. Alright, let's get over here to the other one. Doing fine. So I'm just waiting on them to get bigger.